Welcome in, Renegades. Now, ICP just broke a new higher high for the last couple of months. We just saw it go to almost $17, and we are testing that weekly RSI. Now, I didn't see any problem with us going up. That's fine. Just getting to that $20 level is going to be a little bit difficult with how high we are on that RSI. But if we can break that simple moving average, we could see a test of $20 and then retrace back to about 16 for that support level. So let's get into some news, and then we're going to look at these charts and see where ICP is going, because this is a new local high. So this is great. Let's go to a little bit of news first, because we need to talk about Catalyze, because Catalyze takes it to the next level with a revamped experience. Exciting updates include a new dashboard, audio functionality, token transactions within the platform, and the ability to vote on ICP DAO proposals. See for yourself. So this is cool. You can check out Catalyze over there on their D app, and they are actually an SNS. So this is a really cool platform. I am going to be using this. We're going to start a community over there. So definitely go over and get yourself an account. Let's move on to the next piece of news, because we are here to celebrate International Women's Day with a panel on early Web3 adoption and reaching Web3 users. So women in crypto, shout out to all of feature experts, Allison Fromm, Lawrence Web3, Emma Peretti, moderated by USCH. So this is cool. Secure your tickets. Shout out to all the women in crypto. Rubaru is unmasking the Rubaru OG trophy, a symbol of honor for our OGs. It will be airdropped and forever linked to your profile. Watch as rewards materialize for our steadfast community members. So this is like an Instagram on the internet computer. Will be out very soon. I'm actually doing the beta. I might do a little bit of a preview over there. So let's check out ICP's pioneering role in shaping the future of CBDCs, RWAs, and global financial markets. So Singapore, the Internet Computer Protocol with its groundbreaking blockchain framework continues to drive transformative changes across the landscape of central bank digital currencies, real-world assets, and payments. As a leader in blockchain innovation, ICP is creating a more secure, transparent, and efficient global financial ecosystem, expanding the boundaries of digital finance, empowering CBDCs with blockchain innovation. At the core of ICP's mission is the enhancement of CBDCs, utilizing its blockchain infrastructure to ensure security, scalability, and interoperability. This initiative is exemplified through projects like CKBTC and Laguno, demonstrating ICP's capacity to support the practical deployment of digital currencies in enhancing local economic operations. And they are definitely innovating with real-world assets and digital tokens. ICP facilitates the integration of tangible assets into the digital economy through tokenization, transforming asset management and investment. This approach democratizes access to investment opportunities, making it simpler and more cost-effective to manage and invest in assets. Revolutionizing payments through blockchain. ICP's blockchain solutions are redefining payments, illustrated by introduction of the LeapPay SGD token. This initiative offers a secure and simplified online transaction mechanism, showcasing ICP's ability to enhance financial processes. So chain key innovations, universal trusted credentials. So this is awesome. We're going to have to definitely be looking into this payment SGD token. So that's something we're definitely going to be looking in the future episodes. But let's get over to what's happening in the price real quick. So ICP is absolutely going crazy right now, because when I started this video, it went down to $14.90. 9 and then jumped up, and it keeps jumping up in price. We have a 575 million in volume, which is cool, because if we get this massive volume, we could, head up to these local highs, right? But without breaking that simple moving average on the RSI, we're not going to be moving up a whole lot. But if we get close to $1 billion, we could go to $20. I'm super bullish. We are now number 19. We're almost at 7 billion. We jumped almost $1 billion. ICP is just looking super bullish right now, despite all of the technical factors. And that's the thing with technical analysis. It's only the technical part. It doesn't tell you about the community, what's going on, all the, ICP hubs across the world, all of the innovation happening, and all of the developers building on the internet computer. And then obviously so much mainstream interest in the internet computer that people are out there, just buying the heck out of it, and the price goes up as you see that big amount of volume. It's what we like to see with a nice price, move. And let's go in and look at the charts now. So as you see, these were the levels that we need to close above. And if we end up closing above this 1372 mark right here, we are going to be continued bullish. And we could end up testing this weekly RSI. This is what I was looking for, to go back up and possibly test this or follow it down sideways. Is what I said we needed to do to cool off so we could go to $20. But hey, $17 is a nice level. We could all, take some profit at 17 and then, get back in at these levels. I would say anything under $20 is a good buy for the long term. Short term, I would watch these levels that I post here, for breakouts. This is a breakout level. So we ended up above this. This is why these levels that I tell you are so very important. They're not the fib retracement levels. They are my way of calculating where we need to get to turn bullish and where these good buy opportunities are. And that's why you really need to, pause the video, screenshot this, whatever you need to do to really understand these levels. Not financial advice, but these are the levels where I buy in, and I scale down, scale in, and then I either long or, I watch these levels for a breakout so I can tell you guys, because I don't really sell ICP at these levels. To be honest, it doesn't really matter to me whether ICP goes to $17 or $20 right now. I do have a short-term bag that I could take a little profit with, but I'm kind of waiting for higher levels. The $17, I'll take a little bit of profit on my short-term bag, but even that, I'm looking towards like $26 to $30 to take a nice little short-term, profit. But in the long term, these prices are just really good to get in and purchase at. So that's what I look to do. And so these kind of price moves, yeah, they're fun, they're great. You can take a little bit of profit, but this is all just, the beginning. If you guys don't get it, let me just, zoom out a little bit. Let's go, kind of back a lot further, and you can see why we're just a blip on the radar right now. So these are just the first launch in bull market prices after manipulation. As you see, big manipulation, but still, I mean, even without that 245, without that big, jaunt down, 245 is, it doesn't even seem too far from here. And so these are the prices that I'm going to be looking at in the next, bull market, 250. And, we could even see higher, but my conservative is 250 to 300. And my bullish is somewhere around maybe $800 to $1,000. That is a realistic price down here, and this is more of my bullish price where I really see it can go. So that's why I give you kind of the $250, $300 range as my 2025 prediction, because it's more realistic. But once we start really these big movements, and we did break out of this ascending triangle that I've been telling you guys about for a pretty long time now. Okay, so we've been watching this ascending triangle, and if we can close even this daily above this level, right, then we could really see a nice momentum going for ICP. And as you see, the volatility is super high right now. We keep jumping by like 310, cents. So this level, if this can hold, we could really see a nice sustained move and close this area as support at around this $14.45 level. So this is what I'm liking. We did break out of the RSI here. We're not quite overbought. We can keep going up. This is crazy. I like to see this. We have a lot of volume coming into ICP right now. So it's like big money waits. It goes through Bitcoin, then it went to meme coin season, and now big money is coming into altcoins. This goes perfectly with my video yesterday that I did. And then I called CKB as well to really pump. XLM I said it could go 50x. So all of these cryptos, internet computer is definitely my favorite. That's why I make so many videos about it. Even now. So I really love to see this pump. We need to get hyped about this. My TA says if we close above here, we turn bullish. I don't see any reason to be moving now. If we do not close, if we go down here, we could see some sort of a cup and handle play out and then move back to the upside as well. So even if we end up somewhere in this area from about 1461 up to about 1492, we could really, see a cup and handle form. And then even if we move down to this 1445, move back up. So it's looking pretty bullish. We do have this ascending triangle breakout. And we do have some sort of a falling wedge breakout too. Let's get rid of this. So let's see, we already made it to the top of the wedge. So as you see, a nice falling wedge breakout right here to see a move to the top of the wedge. So I think we're at least going to close above here. This is a new candle high. If we can keep this above this for, another 8 hours or so, a little give or take 8 hours from when I'm making this. We're above key moving average, ZMA 9. Let's look more at this 25 though. If we are above this 25 on the daily, we should be actually pretty good to go. Yeah, we're above both of those key moving averages. Everything's looking pretty bullish right now. Even though, let's see, do we have some sort of an inverse head and shoulders? I think we do. I think we have an inverse head and shoulders right here. Okay, so it isn't the best because there is a little bit of a gap right here, but I'm gonna call this anyway because we could really see a nice little breakout if you really take this kind of whole area right here as the head, and then this area as the shoulder. I know it's kind of messy, but I don't care. It looks pretty solid to me. Then we could really get this nice breakout right here. Okay? So we could see this 1860. And what did we go up to? So it might have already broken out because we did go to $17 right here, $16.99. So we could see another move to the upside. And as you see, it's at 15.28. It just this volatility is crazy right now. Imagine these little swing trades you could do. So I mean things are looking awesome. Or look at these trades you could do. Things are looking awesome. Just be sure to, mitigate risk, have fun with this market, whatever's happening right now. The volume's going crazy, and that's why the volatility is so high. And when the price really moves like that, people come in, flock to the internet computer, and us OGs sit here and have fun and watch this price and really just welcome people in. So guys, if you're new to ICP, welcome to the excitement. If you're an OG, this is what we live for. So yeah, the technology, the fun price movements, the community, it gives us life. So all right guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bang!